Welcome to the video tutorials for the Q-Cells Rooftop Planner. This video covers design. In this area, you can adjust the settings for the applied mounting system before the design stage. As a rule, and particularly in the first offer phase, it is recommended to simply transfer the values by clicking on Save and then change directly to the Position tab. Depending on the system, standard values are pre-entered in the fields. You can make changes that are then taken into account when the values are in the specified frame. In the advanced settings, you can make additional settings that affect the design. Values that are outside the specifications are not considered here either. Here you can define the horizontal and vertical starting point of the design, as well as the distance to the roof edge. Values that are outside the specification are not taken into account.